Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Respected brothers and sisters in faith, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome to another episode of our program, Hisnul Muslim Dua series, with me, brother Muhammad Gazal Saeed. In our previous episode, we studied the dua that is said when one rises from his ruku position. And inshallah, in today's episode, we are going to be looking at the dua that is said between two prostrations, between two sujoods. When one goes to the sujood position and comes back, there is supplication that is said before the person goes to the second sujood. And the dua goes this way: Allahumma ghafirli warhamni. Allahumma ghafirli warhamni. Allahumma ghafirli warhamni. It was narrated by Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, would say, "Oh my Lord, forgive me and have mercy on me." Between two prostrations, the Prophet would make this supplication between two sujoods, or between two sajda. If I should say, the Prophet would make this supplication. He would say, "Oh my Lord, forgive me and have mercy on me." I entreat Muslim brothers and sisters to learn this dua and practice it as it is supposed to be practiced. This brings us to the end of this episode. Until we meet again, fi amanillah, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I'll be praying every day, I'll call, I'll make dua to you, oh yeah. The only way I speak to you, your love I seek, your love for me. I make dua to you again.